Hello and welcome back to the Linux Panic YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to update your Nginx config so you can change and update your website. But first, before we proceed any further into the video, I would like to thank my channel members. These are Alex Exists and Mislav. These people get early access to videos such as this one right here. So, let's get into the video. Now, I am going to be using what is a live in production type thing. This is my own personal website. It does say welcome to Nginx. Thank you for not using Gen 2. That's how I can tell that this is updated and fresh. So I'll just do this. So there we go. Thank you for not using Gen 2. Welcome to Nginx. So we're going to do some changes and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, we come back to our terminal. And now what we want to do is because my server is hosted in a server farm, I need to connect to it using WireGuard. Now this is a VPN, software that I have mentioned in the past. So what we want to do is we want to set up the WireGuard connection. We can do this with WG quick up and then WireGuard 0. In this case, quick down was the last one I entered. This is just some IP stuff, and that's us sorted out. So once we've done that, we need to connect. So in this case, that is where my web server is. Because I'm now connected into my web server, we're all up and running. Now, the inputs will be a little bit delayed because this is trying to, well, it's talking across the world, and as we can see, it's been up for 77 days, so we're all good. So first thing we need to do is verify the service is running. We can do this with systemctl status nginx, and as we can see here, if I just do zoom out a bit, there we go. So as we can see here, we have Nginx. It is running, and it is currently 2 months and 16 days old. So as long as the virtual machine has been turned on. Whoops. So now that we confirm this is up and running, what we want to do is just tap Q and then clear. And now we need to head to the root directory of the Nginx server. To do that, we do cd/etc/var/www. Sorry, we need to do cd/var/www/html. My apologies. Now, this is the default directory for Nginx and also Apache Web Service. They are expecting this directory for the root of your website. So we just do a quick cat. And as we can see, it's just the standard web page, as we can see here. Thank you for not using Gen 2. That also matches with this, as we can see here. It also matches with that. Thank you for not using Gen 2. So what we now want to do is you want to edit this. Now we can choose anything to edit with. So in this case, we're just going to use Vim, hit tab, and as we can see here, we have our web page. Now we're just going to change a few things. Welcome to the Time Lord. Welcome to the Cheese Lord. Cheeseman. Welcome to the Cheese Man. And then if you see this, Nick is crazy. If you see, but yeah, as we can see, if you see this page, Nginx is currently installed. For documentation, please refer to. I'm just going to change this one so it actually directs through to my YouTube. So in this case, we can just do YouTube, and then we need to change this one because this is the actual redirect link. So to do that, we need to just do not that extra slash. So youtube.com/@LinuxPanic. And what that'll do is this href, this is referencing a website, a web page. As we can see here, it's this one. This is a valid link. We just need to HTTPS that. Whilst putting it in as HTTP makes literally no difference because it updates it to HTTPS, it is good. It's good habits to just do it like this to ensure. So what we've got here is a page. Welcome to Nginx. Welcome to the Time Lord. We'll change that to. And as we can see here, here's the end of the tags. So everything here is correct. Now, what we want to do is we want to do Control X, or Control C even. And then we want to do colon, right, quit that. And if we just go back to the web page and give it a quick refresh, we can actually see something. So back to the web page and do a quick refresh. I was about to say nothing has changed. Now, in this case, as we can see, it's working. This shouldn't have changed anything. I think I have set this up correct. So it's updating. Either way, I'll show you what you should do after each change. Now, what you should do is you should restart the Nginx service. Now, what this does is it forces everything to reload and go again. So to do that, we do system CTL reload Nginx, and we'll just give that a quick system status check. So system CTL status Nginx, and as we can see here, tasks that was up, and then 2 months, so it's reloaded the service. And what it should now show is it should have shown this was indeed updated, but we knew that already. Now, this is the general how to do things, how to change things. In the future, I may show off a bit more of how to play around with websites and such, but for now, this is how you change the configuration and get it working and going. Now, I would like to thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, maybe consider hitting the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike. They both work, but you can only see 50% of them. Anyway, I have been Nick. You have been amazing, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. When you use Linux, don't panic. Have a good one, and goodbye.